Hello everyone, welcome to Intensel's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain an interesting application in Nextcloud called approval workflows. What happens in approval workflows is we create a document and send it for approval to the managers. Now, in order to create a workflow, first go to settings and select approval workflows. Here, as you can see, I have already created a workflow for leave applications. What this does is users can submit their leave application in Cloud Drive and submit it for approval to their manager. Now, workflow titles allows the user to select which type of workflow it is. And here, who can request for approval allows us to select the users who can request to the manager for their approval on that document. And here we can select the users who can be the managers. Now there are a total of 3 tags in this workflow. First tag is tag to act on. What this tag does is it's automatically created when the user submits the document for approval. This letter helps the manager in checking how many files are pending for approval in files tags. Likewise, tag set on approval and tag set on rejection allows the manager to select those documents that have been approved and those documents that have been rejected. These tags, these 2 tags are generated when the manager accepts the document or rejects it. We can create a new tag by clicking the text box here and typing the tag name and clicking on create. Now let's test this workflow. Here I have created a leave application. In the folder request and form, I have created a leave application for the user named Shazil. I have filled the details for the leave in this document. And notice there are no signs here. When I click and send it for approval, here I have to select which workflow I have to send it for approval and click on request for approval. As you can see the sign, there is a sign now. This shows that the document is pending for approval. Now let's go to the manager and accept the proposal given by this user. Here, when I click on details, I can see there are 2 more options available for me. One is approve, the other is reject. I can open the document after clicking the details, so I can see the approve and reject options on my right side. Here I can see the details filled by the user, and later I can approve them or reject as per choice. Now, as you can notice, the sign has changed to green. This signifies that the file has been approved. And if the sign has changed to color red, then the file has been rejected. We can search for all the files that are pending by clicking on tags and selecting the option Leave Request. Here, as you can see, there are two more documents pending for approval. Now, to check the documents that have been approved, I can select tags and select Leave Approved. This will show me all the files that I have accepted. Similarly, for all the files that I have rejected also. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos on Nextcloud.